a busy week at the office as our annual toy and food drive benefiting Toys for Tots and Second Harvest Food Bank continues. The support, obviously, for the food drive has been significant, or definitely an increase over last year as a result of the impact of the recent government shutdown. But make sure that you make those contributions by year end for our annual toy and food drive. That actually ends on Friday, which means that we have a super busy week at the office, because the day before that, on Thursday, December the 4th, that is our biannual shred day at the office. So the morning of December 4th from 9 to 12, we'll have a big shred truck. So if you've got stuff that needs to be shredded, make sure you come by the office, Nelson Financial Planning, located in beautiful Winter Park, Florida at 423 Country Club Drive. You can't figure out where it is, just Google it. It'll tell you anything. The next up on the list of things that we wanted to make sure that you realize that you had to get done by the end of the year, and this is the one that we were talking about just before the break. Obviously, required minimum distributions, right? That's got to be done by the end of the year. Otherwise, there's a big penalty of 25%. Plus, you also taxes on that as well. So make sure you double check your accounts and that you've taken out all of your required minimum distribution. Remember, that amount changes every year. So what drives the valuation or the calculation of your required minimum distribution is two things. What was my value of my account at the beginning of the year? And then the life expectancy factor, which we age every year. So guess what happens to that life expectancy factor? It goes up every year. So that fundamentally changes the amount of your required minimum distribution, so that particularly if the markets are doing well, then your required minimum distribution by necessity will be going up. So if you've got a static amount coming out of your IRA,